Y'all need to come back around here. I can't see you. Come back around here.
Campbell.
It's a boring video if you're not around here. Campbell.
Snow in my shoe.
Uh-oh. Campbell. And I can't walk out through there because Campbell. Is he going in?
Go
Yes.
find him.
There he is. Did you find the other scoop? No,
No.
still the blue one.
Hey. Fresh snow, please. It's not fresh. That's been stepped in. You're about to be a very sad, snow-covered little squirt.
Ah!
Any more Sunday kind maker?
Hey, we could make a snowman.
No!
Oh!
Now my hands hurt, but it was worth it.
We could make a snowman.
I have no other choice.
Can't go that at me.
You must.
They can't.
You must.
No, he's talking
You threw
about.
a huge snowball in my
They're making a huge snowball.
It was a huge snowball. You're right. Go make a huge snowball. That's a little snowball. Oh,
Bye,
honey.
Scoop.
No.
You
Okay.
can't use a scoop.
Let's go in and make snow ice cream.
Hey, hold on. Hey!